Hello, I am Ichi Nduka. Welcome to African Native Tales by Ichi Nduka. Ever wondered why the myth of kids who sit on a stone used in cracking palm kernels and becoming dwarfs existed among West African Igbo society? Is this a mere superstition or a social engineering tactic? Stay with me. In ancient Igbo society, there was a powerful myth that kids who sat on stones used to crack palm kernels would eventually become dwarfs. But what's the real story behind this curious belief? Long time ago, stones were important household tools, used for various things such as cracking of palm kernels, grounding of pepper, and so on. Before the invention of tissue paper, cassava leaves and soft parts of plants were used to clean after defecation. Kids often didn't clean properly and always accidentally soil the stones when they sit on them, which was a problem. To stop children from sitting on these important stones, elders created a warning. Sit on these stones and you'll grow into a dwarf. It was a clever social engineering tactic, meant to protect the tools from becoming soiled and to keep kids from developing bad hygiene habits. The myth spread like wildfire. Soon, no child would dare sit on the stones, for fear of becoming a dwarf. It wasn't about magic or punishment. It was about ensuring hygiene and protecting the resources vital to the community. The true lesson wasn't about superstition, but about smart ways problems could be solved. It was a strategy to teach responsibility and proper care for shared resources. Myths have always served a practical purpose in our various societies and are used in passing on wisdom. While myths like this one are fascinating, they were often born out of practicality, even if the explanations were more magical than scientific. Today, the stones are still important, but so are modern technologies. Let's keep the lessons and leave the myths behind. Like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from our past.